Today I ran into something and I figured I would share. We just picked up a BlueHawk paint scraper kit from Lowe's and got it home, opened it up, and as I'm looking through it I discovered that there was one piece that I couldn't figure out. And now that we finally have, I figured I would share in case someone else has that same question. So this is the kit that we are talking about. Like I said, it's just came from Lowe's. Most of the parts are fairly self-explanatory. The big scraper comes already set, blade's already exactly where it needs to be. Just slide the button and you're good to go. All the way out, you can lift the blade, you can put the blade back in, click it back into the spot, and then it's locked, just like most blades. The smaller scraper is a little bit different than what you're used to. Normally, they have a button, similar to the one you see over there. This one does not. It actually has a plastic cap, and it comes with the blade upside down. You don't have to remove the entire thing, but you can. If you just loosen the screw up enough, you can pull the blade out, flip it around to the sharp side, and put it back in. Probably not the safest thing to do that way, but it can be done. You can also completely remove this and see exactly where the blade lays, tighten it back down, and then you have an always sharp blade. The cap then goes back on, which is sort of not the easiest cap. And I can almost see being dangerous and cutting myself just trying to do that. It comes with a pack of blades, but then it also comes with this little mini scraper. And on the mini scraper, like the others, the blade is upside down and you have to pull the blade out, flip it back around. Now, no instructions are provided. There's the back, there's the front, and when you pull the insert out, it's just a piece of paper. So there are no instructions with this at all. Just looking at it, you can see that the back end has a hinge, so it's obviously flips over and then hinges out. But it's not exactly obvious where you have to push to get the thing to unlock to open up. This is what I found out. So basically, when you look at the top of the device, there is a little button looking piece on the very back end that has ridges. Don't know if you'll be able to see that there or not. But this little back piece, the very back, you basically have to pull this towards you. It's very tight, and without having the instructions to know that you're doing it right, you may be afraid you're going to break it. But you basically grab this piece and just pull it back towards you. And it takes considerable force to get it to finally click back. Once that clicks back, then the top piece will hinge up so that you can reverse the blade around and put it back down. It doesn't automatically go back in, so you then have to push it back into place. So yes, basically find the little ridge piece and push it back, which it is very tight, and once this thing is actually, the blade is open, very dangerous to be having to force in and out. But there you go. In case you have bought this kit and can't quite figure out how to open that thing up like I did, there you go.